This video will show you how to buy Cashify using Phantom Wallet. Step 1. Download and install Phantom Wallet from Apple App Store or Google Play on Android phone. Step 2. Complete all the steps to create a new account and set up your wallet. Step 3. Now that you have your wallet set up, press the Buy button from the home screen. Step 4. On this screen, select Solana as the coin that you want to buy. Step 5. Press the Credit and Debit button. Step 6. Select the payment that you want to use. Step 7. Provide the dollar amount that you want to purchase. Step 8. Now that you already purchased Solana, press the Swap button from the home screen. Step 9. This is the swap screen. Select the Solana token first, and then select Cashify token. Enter the amount you want to swap, or press Max for the maximum Solana amount that you just purchased. Then press Confirm.